So today we're gonna be doing avocado and eggs, but a combination of them both into this delicious and creamy omelette.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Gonna first start off with 2 whole eggs, a pinch of salt to taste, black pepper. Then we're gonna whisk that together until nice and fluffy. Once we're at that stage, now it's time for us to add our avocado, and I'm adding half of an avocado here, nice and ripened and soft. And look at that. That's what you want to see. You want to see small little chunks of the avocado. Then we're going to put to melt a knob of butter until foamy. Then add directly to that your avocado egg mix, and then on medium heat we're just going to use a fork to whisk that in, just to get the egg at a creamy consistency, because if you let the egg sit, it won't be cooked at the top. So when it's nice and creamy, it's not raw, you know. So when you see that nice moist texture, that means it's nice and creamy. And we'll just spread that evenly across the pan, just so we don't have any holes in our omelette. We're just gonna add cheese of your choice on that. Put a spatula around the end of the pan just to release the eggs, and then we're going to gently fold that into your desired shape. Flip that over on a plate, and look how beautiful that looks. You can have this done lighter if you don't like that caramelization on it, but it's just magnificent. Trust me when I tell you this, this is nice and creamy and ideal for my avocado egg lovers out there. Look at that. And to make things a bit more interesting, we can add some toast and have it as an open-faced egg sandwich. You know what I say? And there you go. Top that off with some sprinkled pepper, man. You're good to go. Yeah, man. Alright. Leave a comment below and let me know if you enjoy this one. Once again, thank you for watching, and enough love for the love.
Let me see another dinner for later. But know your fast girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you, so that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.